Hi, Dr. Brenda Slovin here. As a seasoned chiropractor, I've been taking care of patients with lower back pain for many, many years. And my patients always ask me, what are some of the things that they can do at home to help prevent future episodes of lower back pain, as well as help prevent some of the exacerbations, as well as the frequency of their pain. So I'm here today to tell you the 5 things that you can do at home to help reduce your episodes of lower back pain. First, no stomach sleeping. I know, moan and groan all you want, but stomach sleepers have a terrible history of lower back pain. And you know what? Sleeping on your stomach for 8 hours, 7 hours like this does absolutely zilch for your neck. So I absolutely recommend, first and foremost, get off your stomach. If you're having trouble falling asleep, then take one of the pillows that are on your bed, put it in front of your chest. I know as a stomach sleeper in the past, I couldn't fall asleep unless I was on my stomach, and I needed that chest pressure. So taking an extra pillow off your bed, putting it in front of your chest, and giving yourself that pressure will allow you to fall asleep on your back or on your side easily and comfortably. So step 2, place a pillow between your knees. If you have lower back pain, the last thing that you want to be doing is on your side twisting. You don't want your torso torqued for a couple hours during the course of the night. It'll really make a pelvis that's already a little bit sore really sore. It'll make a low back that's a little tender really tender. So putting a thin pillow between your knees during the course of the night will help keep your pelvis nice and level. It'll also take a lot of stress off of your lower back so that your lower back can rest more comfortably. When you wake up in the morning, I know that you'll be feeling better. But make sure that pillow isn't too thick. It's pretty common for people to take a real fat one and stick it between their knees thinking it's going to help. But if you do that, it'll actually aggravate your lower back. So please keep it to be a thinner pillow, and that'll make a bigger difference for you. Now, number 3, my mom is going to have a hard time with this one, but number 3 is you must wear shoes around your house. Sorry, Mom. But you must wear shoes around your house. Growing up, I was told no shoes in the house, and so when I got older, there was no shoes in the house until my back started to hurt. Well, shoes provide a fabulous buffer between you and the floor. Now that houses don't have a lot of carpet, now we have a lot of hardwood, we have a lot of tile. Anytime that you step on the hardwood or tile consistently, it will push that gravity right up through the foot, right to the knee, right to the hip, and eventually to the lower back. So if you have swelling, if you have tenderness in your lower back, it's going to exacerbate that. We don't want to do that at all. So wearing a pair of flip-flops or a pair of sandals with some good arch support is going to save your back from additional pain. It'll really make a huge difference in reducing the amount of pain that you feel on a regular basis, as well as help reduce the amount of frequency or the intensity of the pain that you're currently suffering. So, sorry, Mom. Number 4, make sure that you're throwing out your old shoes. Shoes, some people, like to hold on to their shoes. And I see patients literally come into my office with heels that kind of have been worn away to the point that they look something like this. Shoes like that need to be tossed, or just go ahead and get them resold if you really don't want to say goodbye to them. But you must get rid of old shoes. Wearing shoes that are so unlevel, just like what I showed you, can actually cause your foot to overpronate. When your foot pronates more, when you roll out more towards your pinky, it forces you to take a step that pushes you more towards your big toe. This overpronation will eventually cause a bunion in your feet. So you will have foot dysfunction if you wear old shoes. And gosh, who doesn't want a new pair of shoes anyway, right? So please throw away the old ones. If you've been running in the same shoes every day for a couple of months, go ahead and throw those out. If you love a pair of shoes, just buy 2 or 3 pair of exactly the same kind. That's exactly what I do. So that way you can wear what appears to be the same shoe, but you never break it in too much and it never gets fully worn. The last step, number 5, is if you have flat feet, in order to help yourself feel better from lower back pain, you need a proper arch support. So I'm not a huge fan of going to Walmart and standing in the Dr. Scholl's thing, because every time you stand, you can get something different. But if you go to a high-quality shoe store, if you don't want to spend the money at a podiatrist's office for a custom pair of orthotics, which is my #1 choice, but if you don't want to do that, and you just want to get a cheaper pair of orthotics, but something that will still help you, go to a doctor's office like myself, or go to a good quality foot store where they really measure your foot, take good care of your feet, and put you properly in a shoe. They will have orthotic supports there. And a general orthotic is not as quite as good as a custom one, but it will do the job for you. It will provide you arch support. Your arch should be something like that, not like this. If you're walking, and especially if you're walking like this on hardwood and on tile, you are going to have horrible lower back pain. So I hope that you find value in these 5 easy tips, things that you can do at home to help reduce and further aggravate your lower back pain. And of course, you're always welcome to come see a chiropractor because, heck, we're specialists in these things. So I look forward to seeing you sometime soon. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. You can find me at drslovin.com. That's drslovin.com. I'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.